Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making Jaffa cake ice cream. I hope you enjoyed the video. The ingredients are in the description below. I'm going to start by beating the sugar and the egg yolk together. I'm going to whisk that until it's thick and pale. It's all done. Now I'm going to add milk and orange zest and bring that to a simmer. It's all done. Now I'm going to beat it into the egg and sugar in a slow stream. I'm going to pour the mixture back into the pan and place it over low heat. Stir consistently until the custard thickens slightly and just coats the back of a spoon. What it means by coat the back of a spoon is when you run your finger through it, it's clean. Now you can remove it and you can sieve it if you don't want any orange zest into it. Well, we kept it in. Now I'm going to add the marmalade and stir it. Now refrigerate it until it's cool. Now I'm going to whip the cream. I'm just adding some vanilla extract into that. Now I'm going to whip it until it has soft peaks. Don't over whip it though. Now that's all done. Fold the custard into the cream gently. Shred some Jaffa cake into small pieces. Now I'm going to layer it and I've just heated up some dark chocolate. The first layer, and I'm just going to add a little bit of Jaffa cake and some chocolate in it. And I'm going to repeat that for the second layer too. It's halfway done. I'm just going to put it in the freezer overnight. So it's the next day and I'm going to unravel it. Oh, this looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it. Let's scoop it out now. I'm going to scoop it out now. I'm really scared because I don't really know how to scoop. Actually came out nice. Now let's put it on. Wow, it looks like the one you get at a shop. I'm going to drizzle some chocolate on top. Now I'm going to add a Jaffa cake as like decoration. Spoon. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time. Try test. It tastes so nice. You definitely need to try this recipe.